We got a package. It is 10% off, you guys. Sippy 10. What else is this? Y'all, I have 3 gift cards to give away. I have 3 gift cards to give away to you guys. This is insane. New products that they have. We have black. Yes. Oh my gosh. Prepped black tumbler. Look how gorgeous this is. Oh my goodness. You could decorate straight from here. And then we have, oh, this beauty. Holy moly. Look at that shift. Holy cow. That is gorgeous. Oh, oh my goodness. No way they have a handle. These handle tumblers, I cannot, like, I seriously cannot keep them in stock. My Etsy shop, they sell like crazy. Look. Perfect, no curve. Oh my goodness. This video is long, I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, look at this pink. Look at this pink. How freaking cute. Oh, a big one. Have boxes and stuff everywhere. Oh my gosh. Black lid. Love the handle. These are perfect. Colored handle options. Look how great this is. I'm gonna have to turn this into something spooky. Pastel Halloween, I think. Then I have some straws here. Look at this top. That's a really great thing about a lot of these lids. They can go for any tumbler. You know, let's put it on this one. I'm a little excited here. Get a little excited here. Oh my gosh. There we go. Perfect. On the go to school. Throw it in their bag. It's not gonna leak. Whoa. It's gonna break if you pull too hard. God, why am I so aggressive? Why am I like this? All right, I gotta be done before I break something. Tipsy Magnolia, Sippy 10 is gonna save you money. We have gift cards to give out. We're gonna have to come up with something fun. If you have any ideas, post them in the comments and I will see y'all soon. Bye guys.